Hi, now I'm going to show you how to work with QuickBooks software. Basically, it is going to be a view instruction in QuickBooks. This is the user-friendly way QuickBooks set up for a business. In the QuickBooks software, you can see the 3 different version: vendors, customers, employees, company, and the banking. This is the vendor area. In the vendor, you can see first purchase order and the receive inventory, enter bills, and the pay bills. Second area is customer. Create sales order, estimates, create invoice, receive payments, and the create sales receipts. In the bank, you can see the reconciliation. This is the banking area. Write checks, print checks. Finally, employees. You can see the company area as well. Under company, chart of accounts, and the names and the inventory, services, and the inventory. On the top, you can see the screen of the menu bar. These are the menus. You can see the company, customer. Under customer, customer estimate, create sales orders. All the details you can clearly see. These are the areas we already created in the same activity which we had in the down. Under vendor, you can see create purchase order, receive items, enter bills. Under employees, you can see the employees details as well. You can see the quick snapshot in the different list. Let's go to list menu. You can see the chart of accounts, item list, fixed asset item, price list, billing list. Everything will be there. Now I'm going to show you how to create a vendor. You can click on vendor. These are the summary of all vendors. In detail wise, if you want, you can create one vendor as well. Go to new vendor. These are the details you can see under vendor. You can create vendor name, address informations. Under address informations, you can enter the phone number, the fax number, email address, and the website. If you want, you can put other details as well. Next, you can see the payment settings, tax settings, click OK. Okay, this is the vendor which we already entered. You can clearly see the name and the address, contact number and the email address over here. Now I'm going to show you how to enter the purchase order. Select one vendor called Peniel Technology. Item, you need to select the item. So these are the items which we already uploaded in the software. So if you want, you can add one more item. Go to add new. So you can select the item type and the item name. If you want, you can create description as well. You can mention the description here down. And you can select the account, income account as well. So for an example, I'm going to select sales account. It's not there in the software, so I need to add one more account here. So you can go to add new and select the account name and save it. So click on OK. Quantity, you can select the quantity and the unit price. Save and close. Next, we are going to put the receive inventory. This is the bill, so we need to put a bill under this particular. You can click the particular vendor and you can select pay. These are the transactions you can see and select pay, and if you want, you can put the check date as well. Sorry, check number, and click on OK. This is the vendor part. Next, I'll show you how to create customer. You can clearly see the customer list over here and the details. Click on new customer and create one more customer. For an example, I'll take JS International. The customer name will be JS International. You can mention the phone number. The same number you can put if you want. Email address. and the address, billing address. And OK. Now you can see the particular customer here and with the details as well. Now I'm going to show you how to create sales order. Click on sales order. Select the customer, JS International, and the item. The item which we already entered, so you can select the same. And the amount, the rate. The total amount will be appear, so you can save and close. Next, I'll show you how to create invoice. You can click on that and select the customer. And if you select, the automatically invoice will be appear. So the same transactions you can click and save and close. Now against the credit invoice, we are going to receiving the payment. This is the customer payment. You can select the customer here and click on the payment and save and close. Next, create sales receipt. This is which we received cash payment under the customer. You can select the item and the quantity, the rate. And save and close. Now the both payments you can record in the deposits. Next, I'll show you how to create chart of accounts. And click on chart of accounts. You can see name, type, and the balances over here. These are the types of the accounts. I will show you how to create a new account. Go to account and new. Select one example for expense. Account name, for an example, I'm going to select salary expense. This name is already in use, means which we already entered, so we can select another name. Expense as traveling. You can save. You can see the same thing over here. These are the quick snapshot. Now I'll show you how to write checks. Click on that and select the name of the bank. If you want, you can add one more bank here. Account name, the bank name. If you want, you can mention the description as well. And you can put the bank account number. And save and close. Now you can see the same bank account name is there, and you can select the vendor here. And the amount, the account name, you can select one more account. And the amount, it will be appear there. If you want, you can add the memo. Save and close.